Hello friends, hope you're doing good. I am good here. So today I thought of talking about what should we focus on and what we should not. Okay. So we should focus on our goals and what we wanted to achieve rather than focusing on to impress someone. Okay. So whenever we are going to work on something which is very passionate to us, okay, we are definitely going to use a lot of creativity, innovation, and we are going to spend additional effort, okay, without any harm to our health and mind. Okay, so that is more crucial when we do something which we like. Okay, and to progress well in that and to stay positive towards the goal. Okay, so whenever we are trying to impress someone, it might work for a couple of times or 1 or 2 months. Okay, but in long run you will not be mentally happy, you will not have self satisfaction. Okay, although you will be finishing things and you might be hearing few things, internally you might not be feeling really good. Okay, having said that, okay, so in the current situation, in most of our cases, so we would have compromised a few of the items for our parents, okay, and for our loved ones. Okay, is that acceptable? Yes, of course it is acceptable. It's based on what goal do we have. Okay, so if we have a drastic goal and trying to focus on that, being stubborn to achieve that, yes, it is going to have a really tough ride to achieve it. Okay, so alternatively what we can do is we can take up a parallel activity which will suffice others, okay, and also will give us a social responsibility, social respect, and all those things. And meanwhile, it doesn't mean all our goal is gone or what we wanted to achieve has failed. It doesn't mean that. Okay, so gradually after you go to a particular milestone in your life, you can always turn back and achieve what you really wanted to do. Like you have been doing the job which you had to take without any option, okay, and to scale up in your life. But later on, yeah, if you have to focus on the sport, you still have the option to go and play and train people. And of course you can train your kids as well. I mean, don't force them, however you can train them. Okay, so always focus on what you like and what will be beneficial for us. Okay, and without harming anybody. You have to be always focused on the positive things to do in the life. Okay, don't stay focused on a negative thing. That is absolutely not good. Okay, so always focus on a positive thing and march towards it. Just because you have to impress someone, I mean, who might not be a big matter for you, it will not be benefiting you for a long time. Okay, so that is what I had to say for this week. So stay safe, stay strong, stay positive. Take care. Bye bye.